$2,000, a Crease that's supposed to be invisible, a Hinge that's supposed to sound like a luxury car. Let's find out. What's up, Gadgeteers? Sorry I'm late with this unboxing. I've been super busy. Life, kids in general. So without further ado, I got the unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 8, not the Ultra, the 8. It is right here. Looking at it, bam, look at that. Galaxy Z Fold 8. Very nice packaging, typical from Samsung. So without further ado, let's not waste no time and unbox this, because I know you've been waiting for this unboxing from GadgetBeard. Look, let's be honest. You're not here for the device. You're here for me, right? Let me know down in the comment section. Psych! Let's go ahead and continue with this. Samsung makes it very easy with these pull tabs. We have the beautiful Galaxy Z Fold 8. Let's put that aside. The other, like pamphlets and everything, SIM injection tool, it's on the cover side of the box in case you miss it. But in here, we're going to get the cable Type-C to Type-C, quick reference guide, and your terms and conditions. And last but not least, your SIM injection tool. No power brick like usual. We have come to terms with companies not sending us power bricks anymore. So that is that. Let's put that aside. But we came for this. Let's go ahead and peel the cover here. Nice. And right off the back, you don't see no crease. And they did emphasize on the new titanium display technology. I don't know if I'm saying that correct, that it's going to help with the crease here. But obviously, this phone's been out for a couple weeks now, and there's been reviewers saying that the crease comes back. So I don't know why Samsung made a big push on that feature. I would have never said anything. I was just a bit like, hey, we got new technology. It's going to help with the crease, but the crease is still there. But it sucks that there's phones that are like 3-4 years old that come from the other side of the sea that absolutely have nailed the crease issue, and yet Samsung or Google have failed to do so. But feels very light. First impressions feels very light. Kind of like this little form factor here, like a little mini tablet in front of me. Let's go ahead and fold this. You get this nice, oh damn. It's like spring-loaded. It's not spring-loaded when you close it, but when you open it, it's spring-loaded. Like, you see that? Just snaps in place. And, yep. So, some of the downfalls of that spring-loaded Hinge, and I seen this again, is there's absolutely no flex mode, because it's hard to get flex mode. If the hinge is on the spring at a certain level, it's going to snap open. So it's kind of hard to have flex mode, because you're not going to be able to flex the phone in the position you want to view your content, because at a certain angle, it's going to engage that spring. It's going to just and snap it open and lay flat. So I don't know if that's a good thing. Me personally, I don't think it's a good thing, because I use flex mode a lot. And I know a lot of you guys do. So let me know down in the comment sections, do you guys think Samsung did right by upgrading the hinge and giving it that extra snap, or putting it on, like making it spring loaded basically? Do you use flex mode? I know I do. I want to know down in the comment sections below. But let's go ahead and power this bad boy on for the very first time. And then we're going to go ahead and set this up and come back. And I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough real quick. Nothing too in-depth. That comes on a later video. This is just a quick unboxing. I know I'm late, but like I said in the beginning of the video, you're here for me, not for the phone. So you're not here for me. You're here for the phone. And it does not turn on. Is it dead? It cannot be dead, dude. Come on. Come on, turn. There we go. There we go. While this thing boots up, let's take a look at how thin this is. Very, very, very thin. You have your Type-C mic, speaker mic, nothing on the left side while opened, and then speakers, SIM ejection tools. It looks like more mics, and then your volume and power button there. Your fingerprint reader is obviously located on the power button right there on the side, just like previous models. The display looks beautiful. As you can see, as always, Samsung has some of the best looking displays out there. Let's go ahead and fold it, unfold it. And you know what? As of right now, you really can't tell the crease is there. I mean, I can't feel it, but who's to tell later on after a couple folds and unfolds. But as of right now, I can't feel it. But oh, it has a cover display here in front. Let's go ahead and look at the front display here before we go anywhere. Bam, look at that. That is very, very nice. Feels good in hand, very short. I mean, the phone feels shorter and fatter basically compared to the thin variant of the Ultra. But feels very good in hand. I guess everybody's going shorter and fatter these days. Like I said, let's go ahead and run through this setup real quick. I'll come back, give you my first initial impressions of the software and the phone itself, and then we'll come back later on after I use it for a long period of time with a review. But along that journey, as I find like features or anything useful, then I'll go ahead and continue making videos on like cool features that I like and stuff that I don't like and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and agree to all that. And I'm going to go ahead and put my Galaxy Z Fold 6, and we're going to go ahead and transfer from that. Let's go ahead and set up Arc Raiders. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. Get on that, baby. Get on that. Arc Raiders, get on that. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, come back once this is all said and done and upgraded, and give you my quick rundown. All right, we're back with the Galaxy Z Folded after the initial setup, and there's already things that I kind of don't like. First off, this is not a big deal. You can put a case in to mitigate this, but it wobbles big time. Look at that. It just wobbles and wobbles and wobbles. But as you can see, the wallpaper, dude, I did transfer this from my Galaxy Z26. As you can see, it looks very nice on the Galaxy Z26. But on the Galaxy Z Fold 8, it just crops the hell out of it, and haven't been able to adjust it right now. But I'm going to see if I can adjust it later and see what it's all about. Another thing that I don't like is the phone is wide, right? And one thing I don't like about this is that Samsung doesn't allow you to have 5 apps across. If you know what I'm saying. You see how I can have 5 apps down here? I cannot have 5 apps up here, which is dumb because look at the space in between the apps. I'm pretty sure that could be addressed with a software update, but it does not allow me to have 5 apps across. I want 5 apps across. Like I even checked maybe I thought I was tripping. If I go to, let's see, settings, folder grid, 4 across, home screen layout. Let me see. No. Yeah, I think that's it. Or the folder grid is different. Yeah, it does not allow me to add 5 apps across. Other than that, the phone Feels pretty smooth. It's super thin. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra, and it is a little bit thinner than this, I think. No, it's a little bit thicker actually. It's about a little bit thicker than the Galaxy Z Fold 7, but as you can see, the difference in size, bam. Let me see, this one allows you to do that. See how I have 5 icons across? How come I can change it on this, on having this? See right there, I'm not tripping. Home screen grid, it's on there. And it's not on this. When I click on this, get out of my way. Settings, I don't see home screen grid. You see? It's missing. Cover screen, home screen layout, folder screen, folder grid, but home screen grid, there's no option for home screen grid. So this is thinner. I can have 5 icons across. This is wider, and I'm limited to 4 icons across. See, that's the thing I'm talking about. Right off the back, bad experience. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and start using this as my daily driver. This is just unboxing for initial first impression. The form factor I like a lot. It feels good in hand. It's very light. We're gonna see if the crease doesn't appear. Most likely it is, but I'm kind of on the fence about this, to be honest. Software related, again, all that could be addressed later on with future updates. But as of right now, as of today, it needs a lot of work, to be honest. Like right out of the box, there's stuff that it's a little weird and stuff like that. So let me know down in the comment section below, what do you guys think about the Galaxy Z Fold 8? If any of those software weirdness or that things that are going on are going to deter you away from buying this device. The form factor is really nice. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of liking that, but I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it as my everyday device, and then I'll come back and give you my feedback and what I think about this new form factor, and if they've updated any software issues that need to be addressed with this form factor here. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.